Shivani Sharma, and I'm a Senior Product Manager at Wallaroo Labs. This is part 2 of the essay video series. In this video, I'm going to show how to create an essay using UI. You can try this tutorial using our free Wallaroo Community Edition linked below. For this, I will use the house price model example. This model is trained to predict house prices between $100,000 to $1 million. We have uploaded and deployed this model in production, and now we want to see if there is a drift. To create the new essay with the Wallaroo dashboard, first log into Wallaroo, then select the workspace and the pipeline where the essay will be created. It's best that the pipeline be deployed so it can operate off of new data. From the pipeline dashboard, select Insights. A list of the current essays created through the UI will be displayed. Select Create Essay. The first thing we need to do is give our essay a name. Essay names must be unique across the Wallaroo instance. Next, select the model to monitor. In this case, there's just the one, house price model. Now, we select the baseline data. We can select from a set of standard ranges that go from the last 30 seconds to several days. We'll use the custom time range and have our baseline set between January 1 and January 2. After a moment, we get a histogram graph displaying the values derived by inferences during this time period. Next, we will set the other essay values as described in part 1 video. The schedule, the number of bins, the bin mode, the metric, and threshold. We can set a date range to view how these values will affect our essays. If everything is right, we select Build. After creation, the new essay will have a next run value, usually a few minutes after we created it. We can view this information by selecting the Show Essay Details icon. Once the essay has had its first run, we can start selecting a time range to look at reports. For this example, we'll set the custom time range from January 2 until the 31st and see how the data stacks up against our established baseline. Looks like everything was going fine up until January 14th. Then the values started spiking upwards for a couple of weeks, then settled back down again. If we want to see more details on a specific essay window, we can select it from our graph. As we can see, we had a large jump in the right outliners. To know more, we can turn to the SDK and start performing more analysis on the essays. In the next video, we will explore how to use Wallaroo SDK to create an essay. Stay tuned. To explore these and other features, check out Wallaroo documentation site at docs.wallaroo.ai. For other tutorials showing how to use Wallaroo for your machine learning operations, check out Wallaroo tutorials repository at GitHub. Thank you for watching and welcome to Wallaroo.